Hi guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shubheksha Singh, and for my today's video I decided to do a video on luxurious brands on which it is worth spending on, and I was like, why not make it into two parts. So I'm going to show a few products and tell you guys the pros of it, and I'm going to show the other few products in the part 2. That you'll have to wait till Monday, and just subscribe to my channel below so that you get notified for it. So without any further ranting, I will just get down into the products now. So for the first product, I have a foundation. So this is from Estee Lauder. This is the double wear foundation, and I got myself the shade 2-in-1 Desert Beige. This is how the packaging looks. It's a very mini packaging, and this is 30 ml of product, for which you will pay 3,600 rupees, and it is a hefty price to pay actually for 30 ml of product. But it also has an SPF of 10, so you can skip on to sunscreen. This is how the packaging looks from inside. It's a very small bottle, and this is how it looks. And the shade is mentioned right here. The packaging does not have a pump in it, which is a huge con, I feel, because it's a luxurious foundation that you're going to own. So I feel that they should have given a pump, because it's very hard to not waste any product without a pump. So you have to pour it down very well. First of all, it gives you a very nice full coverage. It is great for like bridal makeup. It is mattifying although, but even on combination and dry skin, if you moisturize your skin well, it does not make your skin very chalky or anything, because I have combination skin and I have applied this foundation on many functions, and I feel that the skin just looks flawless with it, which is why I thought that it was good to spend my money on it, and which is why I'm recommending you guys also, if any of you is deciding on to buying this. And it's very good for a long wear foundation, so it easily stays on your face the way you've applied it for 8 to 9 hours, and you can just put some mist on your face to just make the foundation stay in place. Also, I have concealer recommendations, which is Too Faced. You guys must be knowing about this brand. It launched on Nykaa a few months back, and this retails for 1,900 rupees for one concealer. And I'll just show you guys, this is how it looks from inside. The bottle is very beautiful, and they have their embossment right here. The shade is mentioned right here, and you get about 15 ml of product. But guys, 15 ml goes a really long way. Concealer every day, and this has still not finished. I bought this a year back, I feel. So I have two shades for myself. This is natural beige, and the other one that I have is warm beige. I tend to mix these two, so this is like something that is near my shade, and this is for highlighting purpose. I would say this is one of the best, hands down the best concealer that I own. You guys cannot even make out from my face that I've just applied concealer and no foundation for today's look, and which is why I really wanted you guys to see how these products really work on the face. Also guys, if you're thinking that why am I not applying them on my face while reviewing them, is because I use these products a lot, and if you guys just go and click on any of my videos on tutorials, you will see me using these products, so you can see the demo over there. And the concealer is very full coverage. You guys can make that out, because nobody can know that I've not applied any foundation on my face. And it's very long wear. It's very hydrating, highly pigmented, and it lasts you for really long if you spend on this. And it's one of my favorite purchases till now. Guys, I hope this won't be a surprise to you people, because it's the MAC Studio Fix Compact Powder, and I'm in the shade NC35 in this. So this retails for 2,900 rupees for 15 grams of product, and this is how it looks. So you get a mirror right here, and then this is how big the pan is. And if you just pull this up, you get this sponge right here, which is a very nice sponge if you want to apply powder on your face and you want to set your concealer right in place. I know it's a very expensive price to pay for a compact, but this compact has actually been my best buddy for about 1.5 years, and I was also very skeptical about spending on a compact this expensive from MAC. But you really do not need to apply any foundation, any concealer on days you do not feel like doing any makeup. You just have to put this on your face, just do your mascara and your lips, and you're good to go. And this really soaks in the oil, so it's very, very good for oily skin people, and it's one of the best compacts that I own, and I cannot switch onto anything else. I always carry it in my purse. Guys, I have brow products from Benefit Cosmetics, and this is the brow gel. So it's in the gel form, and these are the pencil forms. So I am somebody who gets very, very addicted easily to brands and then cannot switch on to other brands if the product is working fine for me. So these are very, very expensive brow products, I know, but this is the purpose of the video. Like, I'm going to tell you guys about the brands that you can spend on without feeling any guilt that you've spent so much and the product is not doing well for you. This retails for 3,000 rupees, and this is how the packaging looks. And I'll just show you guys. This is the pencil that comes right here, and it's very easy to carry also. And if you open this up, this is the pomade, and it's a very, very nice pomade. It actually fixes your brow in place for a really long time, and I've been using Benefit brow products for about 4 years now, and I cannot switch on to anything else. Also, this is one of my favorite brow pencils when I really want that natural brow going on. You can easily make your brows by this. This has the brush right here, so it's dual ended, so you don't need to carry your brow brush. And the product is almost finished for me. This is how much is left now, and it's one of my favorite products. And I bought myself the shade 5, which is a little on the deep brown side, and I've just got my hands on the mini one on this because the full size was completely out of stock when I wanted to buy this. The last product that I have from the luxury brands is Morphe, which recently launched on Nykaa 2 months back, and I got myself the shade Jealousy in this. So I got myself a lipstick from Morphe, and you get 4.5 ml of product in this. It was for 1,000. This is how the lipstick looks. It's matte, and you guys can see how beautiful the packaging is. It's completely matte, and the cap has this embossment of M right over here. And I have applied this lipstick right here. It is very, very hydrating. It dries down matte, but it's not chappy at all, which is a plus point for me. And this is something that will only wear off if you have something too oily. And after having food also, I feel that it just gets a little vanished from the middle of your lips. Otherwise it stays intact, so you don't have to keep on reapplying this lipstick. Plus the color is so beautiful. It's very different from the colors that I own in my vanity. So guys, with that we come to an end of this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And please stay tuned for part 2 because I'm gonna upload that next week for sure. If you guys want me to review any other luxurious brands that you're eyeing on, please let me know that. I would be happy to do it. So with that, I'll see you in my next video. Be positive, keep sharing love, and please be safe, guys. Bye guys.